5. Are you suffering from diabetes? Top 5 foods to control your diabetes. Non-starchy vegetables are among the healthiest foods for diabetics. They not only fill you up, but they also contain essential vitamins and minerals that help regulate your blood sugar. Whether you have diabetes or not, fatty fish should be part of your diet. It is one of the healthiest foods available and has numerous benefits. Diabetes is known to be controlled by certain types of seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are the two best seeds to eat if you have diabetes. Apple cider vinegar is popular amongst health food fanatics for a good reason. Cinnamon can be used to enhance the flavor and add a little kick to almost any food or drink. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower hemoglobin A1C levels.